Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome you all to learn Chinese language with Chinese language made easy. I'm Muhammad Shahid and today I brought a very important topic. The topic is about 左右. 左右. Normally these words are used in Chinese language for saying left and right, but is it all for them to mean like that? So today's lecture is focusing on some other meanings of these words, and we are going to discover the meaning of these two words. Okay, so these words you are having its pinyin. Pinyin is to spell sound. This is the pinyin of this 左. The first one, 左, means left, 右 means right, left and right. So is it all for it to mean like that? No. These words are not only used for saying left and right. So if it is not the case, then what is it for us in these words? So first of all, we will understand that what else does these words mean. Besides that, these words have another purpose in Chinese, and if we use these words, it means about, more or less. Okay, and in the next slides you will discover that how we are going to put it into a sentence structure, and we actually make a formula for using these words. So this is the sentence structure. If you use it in a sentence, we will use a number, then we will use a classifier, and then we will use 左右, 左右, and that will mean about, more or less. Okay, so in the next slides it will be crystal clear to us that what is the purpose of using 左右 together. Okay, so here is the example. 他八十岁左右. 他 means he. 八十 means 80. 岁 here is a classifier for saying age. I mentioned it here. 岁 means age, classifier. It is used for saying age. 他八十岁左右. 他八十岁左右. He's about 80 years old. Okay, so you see 左右 is used here for saying about, and 八十 means 80. So we use a sentence structure that was number plus classifier plus 左右. Okay, so in Urdu we can say वो लगभग करीबन करीब या जो है मिलता जुलता वो लगभग 80 साल का है. So 他八十岁左右. 他八十岁左右. He's about 80 years old. So we used 左右 for saying about, more or less. He is more or less 80 years old. Okay, so nearly looking like he's 80 years old. So this is the first example by using 左右. Now we are going to look for another example, and here we have another example. 今天40度左右. 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 Today it is about 40 degrees. Okay, so you can see that 今天 means today, 40 40 number, And a classifier for degree is 度 okay 今天40度左右 आज करीब 40 डिग्री है आज 40 डिग्री centigrade है okay so you can say it like that and we saw that how we're using 左右 for saying more or less it is more or less 40 degrees today or today it is about 40 degrees so this is another useful purpose of using 左右 I hope that you would have a greater insight of using these words together for saying about or more or less. So this was all about